let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm Stefano, a health coach and combat sport trainer. I got injured during birth on my brachial plexus, right? Resulting in a limited mobility range of motion on my right shoulders, right? Since I started Clubbells, I must say that I'm getting better and better, right? Because this is going to positively affect the range of motion of your shoulder or of your elbow and of your wrist, because they are rotational movement. One more time, right? Rotational movement. So exercise like this, for example, like this, really easy, nothing too fancy, right? Bring it down, is already going to involve your shoulder to open, right? It's going to drive your elbows in the back. For people like me, maybe which has difficulty to bring it up alone, right? This is my range of motion. You can see with the Clubbells, it becomes much easier to stimulating the affected part, right? It's an amazing way to recover for any type of injury, right? So exercise like this one, before, for me, especially with this shoulder, was impossible to do this one. Now it's getting better and better since I started. I always try to start with fitness. Normal fitness just doesn't work with me or for me, or doesn't work for me, that's it. Right? It's not something which I try many times, weightlifting. I like it, but then I feel stiff, right? I feel that I can't move no more, and already for my personal issue, right? This is just doesn't connect with me. For example, the bench press, I'm not a good bench presser, right? But with this type of training, right, now I will go to show you. This type of Clubbells, these are 10 kilos Clubbells, right? 10 kilos. Feels lighter, right? But because of the shape, right? Which force you to hold it in a specific way, with a specific grip, right? In a rotational movement, you are going to build the type of muscles which with a 10 dumbbell kilos will never be possible, right? Because of the position of the grip. All the weight is here on top, right? Push to the side, drop it, keep it, right? Keep stimulating your body, your natural body kinetic. Feels natural, feels really natural. That's why I really personally love it, and I suggest that you start to get into it, right, somehow, and you will see the difference, right? If you don't like ordinary weightlifting, which is static, right? It's not too creative, let's say, right? This one allows you to move and improve in your natural movement, right? For example, let's say like is feels like a Tai Chi on steroid, right? A Tai Chi where you can use your strength to drive a force, right? From one side to another, up to the shoulders, boom. Is just a game changer. My personal experience, I gained 10 kilos. 10 kilos was, I was 72 kilos, right? Okay, to be fair, there's a little bit of muscle memory there, right? Because the heavier I reached that point was 78. Then I did different type of exercise. So anyway, I lost something like I went back at one point to 68 kilos, right? I started from 64, right? In 2 months, which I decided to bulk, right? Because I wanted to be ready, right? To be ready, feel fit, right? Strong. It took me 2 months from 71 at that point I reached 83 kilos. 83 kilos in 2 months. Quality, I'm talking about quality, strength. So basically I gained 5 extra kilos plus bonus just with Clubbells. Just with Clubbells. Of course, eating a lot. I've been also taking creatine and that point for get that extra help, right? In those 2 months. But it's incredible from the result I got, right? I felt still mobile and strong, even stronger. I never felt so strong with just 10 kilos. Get your Clubbell and let me know what you think. Let me know what is your experience. Maybe you already tried it, right? What is your experience on that case? Let me know what is because I like to talk with it. I like to see what is the different experience between people in general, right? Maybe you like it, you didn't like it, why you didn't like it, what you didn't like about that, what actually you like about that. Right? You ever tried? You have even the chance to try because it's not really common, right? And let's face it, it's not really something. It's between popular and mysterious, right? Like hidden, right? It's not something like classic, ordinary fitness, like, or even calisthenic, right? Which is like mainstream. So, what is your experience about that? And let me know if you would like to try it. That's it. Like, subscribe, right? Let me know if this video been helpful. Right? Like and comment. That's how I understand that this was a good video. So I'm going, and we are going actually, to keep going to produce this type of video, right? We hope that it is being helpful. Check in the description from our website. In our website, you will see there is a blog description, a blog, a podcast. We have many things on place, right? For be sure to deliver the most value as possible. But we need also your help to understand what is actually valuable for you as well. So let's connect, right? Thank you. Always way, feel better every day. Os